you've heard the phrase "no honor among thieves," but what about the phrase "no respect amongst clowns"? In this clip, we have Seb Gorka talking about what a joke it is for Dennis Rodman to attend the summit as Seb Gorka prepares to travel to the summit. Yeah, this is.
I called it, did I not?
What's that? That Gorka was going to be pissed?
Rodman was going to go over there.
It's very possible.
Wow.
Here we go.
Now, I've got to talk to you about Dennis Rodman. I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to talk to you about it.
Oh, okay? Please.
Rodman reportedly will be in Singapore for President Trump's summit with Kim Jong-un. What the devil is he doing there?
He's just a glory hound. He's a publicity seeker. Who cares? I mean, really.
This is makes it a circus, doesn't it? It's a distracting circus.
Yeah, I don't think he'll be getting a lot of photo opportunities at the summit table. This is a man who celebrated that regime as a guest of the regime repeatedly, a regime that, whilst we need to denuclearize the peninsula, remains a dictatorship. So Dennis Rodman is nothing more than a clown who's looking for more publicity.
That is just, I don't even... It's like
I don't know how to
looking for more publicity.
Beyond the obvious chutzpah, it's like
I feel like
Dennis Rodman could count as much as anybody for laying the groundwork for this deal.
I think we could replay Seb Gorka's statement about Dennis Rodman and just record the words Seb Gorka as he says Dennis Rodman, and everything would make absolute sense.
I think, Rodman's more qualified.
Yeah, did we not decide already that Rodman might be the best person to do this negotiation?
He certainly had, I think, more legitimate contact with any foreign leaders than Seb Gorka has, right? I mean, there you are. Oh, God, Stuart, please.
Really? The black guy? Seriously?
Diplomatic as he
Oh, sorry. Once again, Rebel TV talking points. You're supposed to do more subtext on Fox. Can we start that again, Sir Stuart? Glory hound.
Glory hound. Uppity.
Rebel.
So
monkey.
Uppity.
Uppity is great because that could work for both networks.